Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Dall-E to generate the perfect images for your creative stories, songs, and poems. Make sure you share this video with your creative friends and your old co-workers. Okay, I'm going to jump over to ChatGPT because we're using ChatGPT to create the prompts for the image robot. Dall-E. Okay. Now we could start in Dall-E, but I want to first ask our assistant robot what are the types of images that could be useful in promoting a creative work such as a poem. What are the types of images that could be useful in creating? There are several types of images. A portrait of the author, okay. A relevant landscape or place, okay. This is how you get your brainstorming going, so you will actually get the perfect image for your creative work. A relevant landscape. Illustrations that depict the theme or subject of the matter. Okay, interesting. Now let's look into that. Can you write a prompt for Dall-E to generate a photograph of a man and woman in love in the rain at the park? Modern, future. Okay, let's just say modern. Let's say 3D, realistic. All right. Okay. Now this is some terms I've thrown in from playing with this robot in particular. All right. Let's see what it comes up with. Can you give me a prompt? It doesn't answer my question. I noticed it doesn't tell me if it can do it. It just does it. Okay. So it gives me the prompt. Maybe they've changed the code. So let's see. Let's see what this is. The one robot. Let's see what the other robot does. We're going to jump over here to Dall-E, our images robot. We're going to give it the prompt and we're going to generate it. And while we generate it, we're going to read the prompt it gave us. It says generate a photograph of a modern, realistic 3D image of a young man and woman deeply in love, standing under an umbrella while embracing each other in a park with the rain falling around them. Sounds very dramatic, right? That sounds like that's part of the poem. Okay, Dall-E, what did you come with, man? Lay it on us. Now look at that. Now look at that. I could just end the video. I could just end the video. I could just end the video. You don't even have to. So if you're a creative writer and you're writing about relationships and love, and you need some images to help you tell that story, now you could go ahead and choose one of these particular types and then ask it to give you some variations of that particular type. And it's going to get to working while it also gives you some tips. This is where I got some of the tips. And vaporware, it said vaporware, that's a style. So this is how it came out. All right, these are some other, now you can use these images throughout your story. Okay. So let's just say it's a longer story. It's not just a poem. It's a little bit longer. Maybe you need a couple more images as the story develops. You can get more variations. You can click on this one and say, well, hey, I want more variations. I like that. I like that style. So you can see how it's giving you some more tips here. And this is going to allow you to generate the perfect image for your creative work. Specifically, the text. Now, if we're talking about music, then of course you usually have an idea that you're working with in your music. And I would recommend using that idea when you generate your prompt. So we said, can you, so now we're going to switch the example. Now we're going to switch the example to a song, and we're going to ask the robot, Can you write a prompt for Dall-E to generate a photograph vaporware? Right, because we saw that recommendation on the other image. Vaporware style. Can you write a prompt for Dall-E to generate a photograph vaporware style of a dog running after running on a beach? All right. Can you write a prompt for Dall-E to generate a photograph vaporware style of a dog running on a beach? Let's see what it does. And it just gives me that. So let's see. It gives me the prompt right away. So let's see what Dall-E does with it. We're dropping a Dall-E and say generate. And the prompt was real short. It said generate a vaporware inspired photograph of a dog running on a sandy beach with neon colors and glitch effects. All right, let's see what it gave us. Now check this out. So if you had a song, an album cover, right, by Darnell Jackson, right? This could be my album cover. You got an album, you got some music you're working on, and you wanted to come up with the album cover. Who just gave you an idea? Make sure you subscribe to this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, or do either one. All right? This is the future. And right now, okay, except for that one, these top two are really good. Which one do you like the best? This one or this one? They're both different slightly, and it depends on what you're doing in your creative work. This could be the perfect image for where you are in your story. All right? Thank you so much for checking out this video. I want you to subscribe to get more tips at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. When you subscribe, you're going to get 12 businesses to start with AI today. You'll also get 31 AI apps to use in your business now. You'll also get my email address. So when you have questions, I am there to help you. Until the next time, thanks again for checking out this report. I'm Darnell Jackson. Peace.